Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by running a focused audit on your highest value pages. Prioritize index and top 10 product or service pages. Once done, fix robots. TXT, submit an XML sitemap, and verify canonical tags so search engines index the right URLs. Make sure each page has a clear primary keyword and align the title tag, H1, and meta description to that keyword. You will save time downstream by making these first changes deliberate and measurable. You now tackle the complex middle, technical fixes plus content optimization. Start with speed, compress images, lazy load below the fold, enable browser caching, and trim unused JavaScript to lower load time. Then add structured data like product or article schema and breadcrumbs so search engines understand context. Next, audit and optimize internal linking. Use descriptive anchor text, prioritize link equity to pillar pages, and maintain a clear hierarchy. You finish by deploying changes in a staged rollout and monitoring results closely. Once live, track core web vitals, crawl stats, indexing status, rankings, clicks, CTR, and conversions weekly so you can spot regressions quickly. Make sure to document changes and compare before and after metrics. If performance drops, check for recent no-index directives, server errors, robots blocks, or lost backlinks. Those are common root causes. One quick troubleshooting tip: rerun a live URL test and inspect the rendered HTML to confirm critical tags are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.